Hi everyone, this is Sandeep and you are starting to watch to me. I hope you are well and you are doing well. This video for to you. I hope you can think you can learn lot of us if you are watching of people. If you are learning, if you increases lot of us. So my dear friends, my dear brothers and sisters, if you think that how we can develop of myself, how we can learn and how we can increase our confident level. So it is dependent to self. If you want to be fluent in English, if you want to be spoke openly without hesitation on the public place, anywhere place if you are. So you must know at this talk. So my dear friend, first of all, you have to do think in Hindi in your mind, and you must do. You have to do translate in your mind. So you would see in village people not they study in English medium, school, institute, and you can think they have only one chance to improve of his communication skill, only one, who is grammar person. My dear friends, my dear brother and sister, if you want to be fluent in English, you focus in grammar. If you are studying in Hindi medium school, Hindi medium college, I think that it will help to lot of us to improve your fluency. He would provide to you better opportunity to spoke your language. You must know that at this time. So also you can watch to me. I have study in Hindi medium school and college, and you can watch to me how I am getting speak from to you. So you must know at this talk and how much you are thinking in Hindi word in your mind, and you have to do translate. So automatically that word would come in your mind if you would do practice, if you would give time at to fluency. I think that. So somehow I am thinking about myself, what I and what people. So someone are saying that, my dear friends, how we can develop of myself, how we can make them confident in this language. So my dear friends, my dear brother, if you think that if you want to learn, so you can learn watch of people. If you think that if you are going to speak something and the word is not connecting in your mind, you would think in your mind come thoughts you must leave. We can't do that. So how people are getting speak, how we can watch, how we can learn, how we can develop of myself. So people being hopeless that place, so you have never to understand what am I, only you have to focus, only you have to think about your positivity. If you want to get well, if you want to be fluent, if you want to show yourself, if you want to watch in future, my dear friends, you must know that at this talk and we are watching of people, we think that and we compare of myself why we are not getting. So the reason is around me. So I think that if you are speaking only, if you are a alone person and there is no one around to you to doing help to you, I think that it is the most difficult part to you to improve your communication skill. So I think that, my dear friends, if someone is around to you and you are sharing your thoughts, you are sharing your ideology with him, I think that that time you have to make lot of confident that person how they are getting speak and how you are getting speak. Then when you are doing comparison and in your mind come thoughts how they are put up word in his mind and how they he is getting speak. So my dear friends, we must compare of people, what am I and how we can do well, how we can learn well, how we can remove our hesitation, how we can develop lot of us. So my dear friends, my dear brother and sister, you must try to work at yourself and it will help to lot of us. So after 12th, if you would go any institute, any, if you are further your education in your life, you would see you have made degree in English. So I think that, my dear friends, if you want to be, if you want to do better in your life, focus at your fluency, focus at your communication skill, focus at yourself, what are you. If you want to change yourself, if you want to see something different of people, you must know that at this talk. I think that, my dear friends, the it is destiny, you could say. So when we are going to do something, everything being opposite with me. Why, I don't know that at this, why it is being with me, but I don't know that at this talk. After 12th, what is being, there is nothing to understand what we are doing, what is being, and what I will be in my future. There is nothing to understand. I think that I am not getting decide what we want to do. I am not getting decide what we want to try to work. I think that, so I know that about my weakness, and I always try to remove of them. So if you want to be, if you think that how we, you, how you can grow yourself, how you can make strong a mentality, how you can develop lot of us, you must focus and you must try to learn lot of us. At least you would never to understand of people and around to you, in your society, in your place, lot of people have met to you to decrease your work. They would say to you, how you can do, yaar. Lot of people I have watched to you, who are you doing, you would never believe and try to work of them. I think that sometime will come as where you would gain better response to yourself, where you would reach better place. You must know that. And you are watching, it is the international language, and I think that, my dear friends, when we are learning something different language, we have feel lot of happy. Why? I think that we must strive to it, and we must strive to come. My dear friends, I don't know that ever I have met chance to walk any another country. So I think that this language would help to any one person. I think that, my dear friend, there is no one no to better, but they are getting understand what are you saying, what are you getting speak, what are you telling about of them. But, my dear friends, they are not getting speak. So the most important task for you, my dear friends, you must try to work at your fluency. You must try to work at your skill. You must try to work at your career, at your at your ambition in your life, my dear friends. I think that when I have met time, we are thinking why we are not doing like of people. I think that as why I am not getting reach that place where someone who is my age. So you must think and you must try to work it yourself. I think that, my dear friends, there is nothing to waste in your life. How much you would learn, I think that anywhere place he would help to you lot of us. So you would never to understand and in your mind never to set at the stuff who we are doing. It is waste everything, but he would help to you somewhere, some as place where people would not know, but you know. So I think that, my dear friends, I am living alone and there is no one, and I have not met chance to talk of people which I could share lot of us, which I doing, which I could practice in English. I think that, my dear friends, somewhere I am going to hopeless at this talk. What I will do to learn this language, what I will get. So I don't know that at this talk why it is being with me and what I would do. I think that we must try to work something. We must try to think about of my society, where they are going. So if you would compare of in our country people, so you would see how much I, you and lot of people is behind of them who is only. I think that you can understand which have a better, which person have a better resources, better opportunity, which parents is providing, I think that who is well. So my dear friend, we are watching of people and we think that of course I could do it, and I would see a lot of us. I know at this talk what I am doing, but we are trying to improving of myself. We are doing practice, we are listening in English, we are writing something. It is a different talk, I have not much chance to, but we are watching at my Google, uh, be watching reference, we watch paragraph lot of us, and newspaper we are watching at social media, and we think that how be connected of that word in my mind, how we can do. So I think that my dear friends, somewhere I think that we are wasting of my time, we are wasting of myself. What? So lot of hesitation and frustration are creating with me, I think that. And so you would see lot of people, they have many chance, they have to better opportunity to introduce of his ideology, they keep see a lot of fuss. I think that if you belong a place, you must try to focus at your communication, you must try to work at your self-made difference. I think that this, I think that it would help to a lot of us to improve yourself. So if you are watching to me, my dear friends, you can join with me and meet in the next video what topic I would gain. Also, I think that my dear friends, when we are not providing my we are not providing video at my channel, I think that we are missing something and we must try to. And I given time of my communication skill of myself, so we must try to work. And if you're watching to me, you must focus. I think if two people are more than people is around to me, I think that I could speak better, I think, guys. So if you're watching to me, you can join with me and you can see your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you. Jai Hind.